Looking for a powerful, precise, and durable table saw for your workshop? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best cabinet table saws of 2025. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a serious DIYer, these saws deliver unmatched performance, stability, and accuracy. And don't worry, if you want to check out any of these models, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the video description below. Let's dive in and find the perfect table saw for your next project. 5. Grizzly Industrial G0771Z. Upgrade your woodworking game with the Grizzly Industrial G771Z 10-inch hybrid table saw. Powered by a robust 2 HP 120-volt motor, this saw delivers precision, power, and smooth cuts for both professional woodworkers and serious DIY enthusiasts. Its T-shaped fence system ensures accuracy on every cut, while the hybrid design combines the strength of industrial saws with the convenience of a cabinet saw. Whether you're ripping, cross-cutting, or tackling intricate projects, the G0771Z is built to handle it all with ease. Don't settle for less. Bring professional-grade performance to your workshop today. 4. DEWALT 10-inch upgrade your woodworking game with the rack and pinion telescoping fence system. Make fence adjustments fast, smooth, and incredibly accurate, thanks to its innovative design. The patented material support lets you tackle narrow rip cuts with ease, while the 32.5-inch rip capacity handles larger shelving and trim materials effortlessly. Keep your workspace organized with the onboard storage system, giving quick access to the blade guard assembly, fence, riving knife, miter gauge, wrenches, push stick, and cord wrap. The rolling stand ensures easy setup and breakdown with outstanding stability, and the telescoping fence rails retract for a compact portable package. With a flip-over ripping fence for narrow cuts, a powerful 15-amp motor that slices through hardwoods, and a 2.5-inch dust collection port for clean work, this system delivers precision, power, and convenience. Perfect cuts, efficient dust extraction, and maximum versatility, all in one tool. 3. Jet 10-inch Deluxe Zacta. Introducing the exclusive 30-inch commercial Zacta Fence 2, engineered for precision and performance. Featuring a T-square design for perfectly straight cuts, this powerhouse comes with a deluxe miter gauge with adjustable positive stops and large soft grip handles for accurate miters every time. Heavy-duty chrome-plated hand wheels ensure smooth trunnion and arbor movement, while the independent leaf safety guard keeps you protected, even at a 45-degree tilt. With 11-inch left and right cast iron extension wings, it offers the largest table surface in its class, providing unmatched workspace for any project. Built to last, its powder-coated finish resists chips and wear, and the wide stance heavy-duty trunnion guarantees stability and precise blade positioning. Upgrade your workshop with the Zacta Fence 2, where safety meets precision. 2. Powermatic Armor Glide 10-inch. Experience unmatched precision and durability with this industrial-grade Powermatic table saw. Its low-friction, rust-resistant work surface reduces maintenance while giving you full control over every cut. The arbor lock lets you change blades one-handed with minimal tools, and the one-piece cast iron box trunnion delivers unmatched stability. Precision ground, high-luster cast iron tabletops with front and rear bevel edges ensure smooth, accurate cuts, while the integrated digital readout and adjustable angle indicators make bevel cuts precise and repeatable. Plus, the hydraulic caster system makes moving this powerhouse around your shop effortless. Upgrade your woodworking with a table saw designed for professionals who demand perfection. 1. Professional 3-HP Cabinet Saw. Discover the PCS, SawStop's most popular table saw, designed for woodworkers who demand precision and safety. With best-in-class cutting performance and the revolutionary SawStop safety system that stops on contact with skin, this saw gives you confidence on every cut. Built with unmatched fit and finish, it showcases SawStop's legendary attention to detail. Featuring the 52-inch professional T-Glide Advanced Rip Fence, it delivers unmatched accuracy, versatility, and ease of use, making every project smoother, safer, and more precise than ever. Dimensions: 85 and core in a W, 33-inch D, and 34-inch H, engineered for performance that lasts. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best cabinet table saws for 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect saw for your workshop, whether you're a hobbyist or a pro. If you want to check out any of the models we featured, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Just click and see the latest prices and details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future tool reviews and buying guides. See you in the next video, and happy cutting!